which hair care products came with me and which products did I buy right away. Hola gente, what is up my people? Welcome. 10 months ago, I moved to the United States from Buenos Aires, Argentina with my dog, Bianca. Many of you guys ask about her and sometimes she appears at the end of the videos, but not many of you put up with me that long, so she's here. Before moving here, I already had a YouTube channel with 700 videos, tested out or reviewed hair care products, beauty products in general. Because of what I do, I had an abnormally, ridiculously, unnecessarily big hair care collection. Heat tools, hair masks, shampoos, oils, you name it. When faced with the task of putting my entire life into 4 suitcases, clearly it was not the main priority to bring all my hair care products, nor could I. Okay, let's begin. Hair dryers, big problem. Because in Argentina, we have different voltage than in the United States. The vast majority I couldn't bring. So I ended up bringing this hair dryer. This is the famous Shark. I love this hair dryer. It is a Dyson dupe, but in my opinion, much better price point. So I absolutely had to bring it, and it was the perfect voltage for the United States. Has so many accessories. It's like having multiple heat tools into one. When I got to America, it was summertime. My hair was not behaving. It was a little bit like lots of humidity, and I needed a hair dryer that was more potent and that I knew could give me that smooth effect on my hair. So without thinking it twice, I bought what would be my third Elchim 3900. Why? Because my first 2 I left in Argentina. I have the lightweight version and the black and gold one. I think I uploaded 45 videos using or recommending the Elchim for people with very frizzy, high porosity hair. Because of its healthy ionic technology, it does give you a differential smoothing effect that I haven't seen on any other hair dryer. One of my lights just died and I had to charge it, so as you can see, it's already getting darker. One becomes a little bit inexperienced after taking a bit of a break from YouTube. What do you think? Did I bring any Olaplex products with me? Well, of course I did. And they were sealed, and that was really convenient. That minimizes the chances of any of these hair care products exploding, making a mess. My hair is still in recovery. Over a year ago, I had a salon nightmare and my hair was burnt off. It was really, really bad. The entire top layer was absolutely fried. It was a whole drama. I'm gonna link the video somewhere so that you can catch up. But as you can see, things have improved. Because of that recovery, I use a lot of Olaplex. I brought with me the Olaplex number 4, this is the shampoo. Number 5, the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. A bottle of Olaplex. Number 7, this is the bonding oil. It's such a nice lightweight oil. I need to try the purple one so badly. And I had a spare one. Olaplex number 6 and the king. Olaplex number 3. I brought Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo for like when I put oils on my hair and then I have to remove them. The High Lift I use to be blonde without bleach has deep ashy tones. Actually, I love it to neutralize the golds in the roots. However, on my gray hairs, it clings way too much. It can look a little bit bluish. So on those areas, I like to go in with the clarifying shampoo also when I dye my hair to perfect that, because if not, it looks like I'm a little bit crazy, and I am, but I don't want people to know. If I had to narrow these Olaplex collection down, I would definitely go with the trio. If you have these 3, you're good. If you have to choose just one, Olaplex number 3 for sure. In the purple shampoo category, I love Schwarzkopf, the Goodbye Yellow Neutralizing Bonding Wash. This is neutralizing shampoo, 4.5 pH, no sulfates. I still have to find a purple shampoo that gives me the right pigments to neutralize without drying it so much. This one does a pretty good job, but it's still a little bit drying. The Oribe Power Drops. This is Damage Repair Booster, 2% linoleic acid. I will always defend the fact that this is actually called Oribe because it was the surname of its founder, or it is the surname of its founder, who has Cuban heritage. It's just more fancy to call it Oribe. It's an expensive product. I didn't want to leave it behind because I already had to leave behind my signature moisture mask. That was hard, but I didn't have that much product left. It's a leave-in treatment. It's really nice kind of to finish things up and treat your hair at the same time. And then of course, how could I possibly heal my hair, continue the healing process here in the United States without bringing the K18 family? I brought the Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask, which is the star of the... Hold on, Binka wants to go down. She was in my lap. Oh baby. Setting her free to do whatever she wants to do. This is a wonderful leave-in mask. I'm sure you've heard of it. In just 4 minutes, if you leave it alone, it will really do wonders for your hair. I have tons of videos using it in multiple routines in different ways. The Damage Shield, the conditioner, and I also have the shampoo, right protective pH for hair that has been damaged, chemically processed. I use these mostly in between K18 treatments. I'm starting to feel embarrassed, like I brought like what, half a suitcase of products. I don't have a problem, or maybe I do, but I also have a YouTube channel and here that is still in the ICU. Doing better thanks to all the love care patients and tons and tons and tons of months that went by. This is the Morrocanoil Light. It's light colored, so it is recommended for blondes, and it's also more lightweight. I've done a side-by-side between this one and the original Moroccanoil. I can link that down below as well so that you guys can go deeper into that and see if you would like one or the other one better. But my choice to bring here was this one. A, because I had plenty left, and B, because it is my favorite. And also it's kind of good for traveling because you can lock it right here. It feels like you're taking less of a risk of just getting oil all over the clothes. I don't know if you guys can see, but I also taped every single one of these products and then I put them all in a bag. The last thing I brought with me on my suitcase was the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. It's an overnight perfector. You apply it on your hair overnight. Maybe if you didn't have enough time during the day to treat your hair, it's meant for that. I believe it was discontinued, so I don't want to go on and on and on and on about a discontinued product. The beauty industry, it's like, oh my god, it's like a train that just goes by and you can barely catch up. As soon as I landed, almost, I had to. The Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Mask. This is amazing. It's one of my favorite masks. 2 or 3 years, it was in my top 5 best hair masks of the year. It acts super fast. It's very rich. It has a really great after, blow dried or air dried. So I bought the organic castor oil for hair, nails, and skin. I mostly use it on my nails and on my hair, especially on my scalp. And last but not least, because I use this so much as a pre-shampoo treatment, I bought the organic virgin coconut oil. This is by the brand Parachute. All natural, cold pressed, virgin, the purest form of organic, non-hydrogenated I could find. I bought it on Amazon. I will link it down below. I use it always as a pre-shampoo treatment. So I put it on my hair. I sometimes blend it with jojoba oil, which is the other oil I purchased, but I just ran out of it because I feel it's the one that I'm using the most. Sometimes I just use the jojoba oil as a pre-treatment. Sometimes I just use the coconut oil. Sometimes I use just virgin olive oil that's right in my kitchen. Just buy it at BJ's and it comes in a huge bottle. It's organic. So a mixture of those three, sometimes isolated, but those are great like pre-treatments that are deeply nourishing and that really help me also smooth out my hair, much shinier, healthier. Was this very boring? I feel that I would be interested in a video like this. Let me know if you guys want me to do this also for my makeup collection, because that was so hard. I feel that was even harder, but I was able to accommodate more products into a makeup bag, or a couple actually. And I'm really happy with what I brought. Let me know what you want me to share with you next. I'm always curious, and do say hi in the comments because I always reply. I really love connecting with you guys, and I will catch up with you all again on my next one.